In today's episode, we are thrilled to welcome Benkench, author, CEO, and founder of Unique Mentoring.
I started Shah because I was raised as a Jehovah's Witness. And that, I guess, like all religions, is a sales process. It's a persuasion, convincing process.
Where I learned is that you need to have a set mind to do something great. If you do not have a set mind, that will not empower you.
We should be proud to be in the industry of sales. In fact, honest truth, everybody, Shah, is in sales. They have a business, they're trying to bring customers in. That is the art of selling.
Sometimes you might know it, but if you have transferable skills, and you know that, Ben, we utilize transferable skills to our lifetime.
There's a lot of people who are saying, I've got a business, or I'm running a small business with myself and 2-3 other people. We never taught how to run a business. We had a skill, I could make paintings, or I could make chairs, or I could write legal documents.
The balance in between your characteristics and your exceptions. You are the unique thing. You have to be unique if you are serving people.
It's not acceptable to justify the means to an end. We should never, to other humans, other fellow brothers and sisters, there is no justification for abuse or for oppression or for controls that limit.
When I'm collaborating with you, it means that I might not have all the positive things that you do, and you might not have all the positive things that I do. So when you collaborate, we learn from each other.
Every customer of every business has a freedom to choose where they spend. What that means is, at the moment they choose to spend with you,
if you do not fulfill their demands, I would say, you cannot own them. You cannot own anyone apart from yourself.
AI seems to be the modern elixir, the solution. The eternal promise is going to be achieved through AI.
I never believed that AI will take over, because it will not. Yes, maybe in 100 years or 200 years if we have robots.
Seems to have developed a culture of blame. Whose fault is this? Whose fault is this? It's not mine. It's the economy. It's the politics. It's the weather. It's whatever. We've got a culture of blaming someone else and something else. And actually, we have to develop a culture of, hey, how can I be better?
If you do not know your matrices, it's difficult for you to learn and then grow.
To anybody is follow your heart.